Welcome my children, this is your mentor Mrs. Monia. So let's continue with our chapter, that is number system, and for today your subtopics will be conversion of binary into decimal number system, octal number system and assignment number 2. So let's begin with the first topic, that is conversion of binary into decimal number system. We are converting binary into decimal. Binary with the base 2, 0 and 1. Decimal with the base 10 from 0 to 9. Okay, let's go further. So here the rule number 1 for converting is multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in terms of power of 2, starting from the extreme right digit. Okay, so we have to multiply each binary number with multiply by 2. From the right side we have to give the positional value. So next is increase the power 1 by 1, keeping the base fixed as 2. And the third is sum up all products to get the decimal number. So let's understand this with the help of example. First we will convert decimal into binary. We'll convert decimal into binary. So we have 25, a decimal number. We will convert first decimal into binary. This we have done in our previous video. So here I have done it. 25 has been divided by 2. So we have got 12 quotient and 1 is the remainder. If you remember, this we have done in the previous video. Then again we got here 2 by 6 we got 12. So 0 is the remainder. Then 2 3s are 6. So 0 is the remainder. 2 1s are 2, so 1 is the remainder, 2 zeros are, and here 1, so the 1 is remainder. So here we have got this, and the conversion of 25, this is the decimal number 25. Conversion of this decimal number is 11001. So we will do one thing, we will convert this same number into decimal again. That means we'll convert this binary number into decimal. How to do that? Let's see this. So here we have the number with us. And here I have multiplied each binary number with 2. See, 1 into 2, first number, then again 1 into 2, then 0 into 2, here it is. Next again 0 multiplied by 2, and then the last 1 multiplied by 2. Okay, now we will give the power from the right side to 2, digit 2. So here we have given the powers, that is we'll start from 0. So 0, then 1, then 2, 3 and 4. This is the rule. Are you getting my point? Each binary number is been multiplied by 2 and we have to give the power from the right side to 2. So let's multiply this and see what happens. So here it multiplies like this. See, 1 multiply by 2 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Same way here, 1 multiply by 2 into 2 into 2. And again this is 0 multiplied by 2 into 2 because the power is 2. Here again 0 multiplied by 2, that is only 1. So here 1 multiplied by anything power 0. Any number which is having a power 0 is always 1. Remember that. If I write 3 power 0, the answer is 1. If I write 1 power 0, the answer is always 1. So here 2 power 0, it is 1. So 1 multiplied by 1. So next will be, if I multiply all this together, 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So I got 16 over here, 16 into 1, 16. Same thing here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into 1, that is 8. So we have got these numbers here. Here it is 2 2s are 4 multiplied by 0, that is 0. Same way 0 into 2, that is 0, and this becomes 1. So let's add all this number, because the rule number 3 is that you have to add all the numbers. So when I add all the number, the answer is 25. So this is how we converted binary into decimal. Okay my children, let's see one more example here. So here it is 16. So this is the conversion of 16 decimal number. And this is what we have got in the binary form. We have got 1 4 times 0, that is the binary conversion of decimal number 16. Okay, here it is in the reverse order. This we have done in the previous session. So let's understand, let's convert this number this binary number into decimal number. So here I have written over here the binary number. So here let's multiply each binary number with 2. So again 1 multiplied by 2, 0 multiplied by 2, then again 0, 0, 0 multiplied by 2, and we'll start giving the power from the right side. Here 0, then 1, then 2, then 3 and 4. Now we'll multiply each. So here it comes out 1 into 2, so it is given here, same 0 into 2 into 2 into 2 and so on. So as I've told you that anything raised to 0 is always 1, so 1 is here. Fine. So what will be the output for this? This will be 16. Here the output will be 0 and here will be 0 because 0 multiplied by anything is 0. Same thing here, 0 multiplied by any number is 0. Same here and same here. So only 16 is left out and we have got the conversion. That means the conversion of this number is 16. So what we have done? We have just converted decimal into binary and then the same binary we have converted into decimal number system. So my children, we have learnt about decimal number system. We have learnt about binary number system and the next is octal number system. So now octal. The octal number system consists of 8 digit, that is 0 to 7. So the base of octal number system is 8 because 0 to 7 how many numbers are there? 8. Okay, so we have to consider the base as 8 for octal number system. Now the concept of octal number system came from the Native Americans. To convert any octal number to decimal number, we have to start multiplying the digit of the number from right hand side with the increasing power of 8 starting from 0. See the conversion of binary to decimal and decimal to binary you have done. Exactly in the same way you can convert octal into decimal and decimal into octal. Same way, there we were dividing it by 2 and here we have to divide it by 8. And for converting into decimal we were multiplying it by 2 and here we have to multiply it by 8. Okay, so finally you have to sum up all the products. This we have done. So let's know more. So here it is my children, 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, 2 nibbles is equal to 8 bits and 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. Well, this is your assignment number 2 my children. I've given to you. Question answers are here and at the last sum is given to you to convert it into a decimal number system. Do complete this. Thank you my children. That's all from my end. God bless you.